Enjoy our life, we only live once, kaya sulitin natin ang buhay ng bawat isa. Let's treasure memories that would make our heart happy. Samahan niyo ako at ng aking pamilya sa pag-explore ng Palawan. Ako si Donna Didora. I choose to collect memories instead of things. Let's go!
Butan kami ng ulan dito sa Napsan habang nagbabiyahe kami. Ayan si Donna Didora. Kawing.
Rain or shine.
Rain or shine kami. Ayun sila nagbabalot. Binabalot nila yung sarili nila.
May garbage bag ba si ano?
Garbage bag.
Tagasan ka ka?
Oh, yung ano doon. Ano? Hindi mo ako kilala.
Ano mo ka dito?
Te! Pangit mo.
Ano yung tatay sa ano? Bayan ng Laksan? O diretso na tayo.
Tinira mo yung plastic na iyak.
May bag pa siya sa likod.
Mali kasi din paglagay mo.
Hindi dapat bukod din yung ano plastic ng bag. Iba rin yung plastic ng bag, iba rin yung sa katawan niya. Katawan niya muna, tapos bag plastikin din. Tanggalin mo muna to, te. Ay, galing pala kayo.
Later.
Si Kia Bart, siya yung boots namin for today. Si Kia Neil. Hello, Kuya Neil.
Sabi namin for today. Ako yung nabudol.
Nabudol for today.
Pag-break ni Duna, si Kenil, nandyan din sa likod namin.
Butas kasi yung kalsada.
Butas na kalsada.
Sabi nga namin nakita niyo yun, kami din namin nakita
Kasi yung aso, muntikan ko na bangga.
Hindi nakita ang Google Maps.
Mga kadora, sobrang ganda ng spot na to. Iikutin natin ito dito. Takot ako dun dumaan sa kabila eh. Ang lalim kasi talaga. Oh. Wow, lamig! ikot na lang ako. Ay, ang sarap ng tubig.
I don't wanna be if you sit on the if you can't see me, I'll say way to go. Maybe way to go. Yeah, where do I have to be? I don't know that I someday I should have going now. I was trying in this night and going to tell me heart so bad, so dark. I want to bet on the boy, but all your words, yeah. As reminiscence, I wanna know. I feel there's nowhere to start to me. There's nothing out of me, to me, yeah. Say I'm falling in love.
Tapos dyan tayo sa likod.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light. Masasabi ko ang swerte ako, mga kadora, dahil meron ako nito. Itong mga kaibigan ko na laging nagpapasaya sa akin, nandyan sa saya at lungkot. I am so happy to have all of you in my life. I hope you stay this way for many years to come and many gala to come to us. Like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do. Count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you. Like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what
Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me show you love, no I don't pretend. Stick by my side even when the world is caving in. Oh, don't you worry, I'll be there whenever you want me. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. Oh, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. 'Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I do my worst.